तो कॉलेजेस में भी आप जाएंगे जहां पर अपनी फिल्म के थ्रू
जी जरूर, but I definitely think so. Yes, in Dam Marudam I play a police officer who's asked to take care of the drug problem, but we're not here to promote a film. We're here to talk about this drug initiative, and I'd much rather keep the promotions for a different date. But if through our films we can spread a message, then I think it's wonderful, and through Dam Marudam we will try. But we're here for this initiative today, not Dam Marudam. It's very easy. Vikram, it's like I said, drugs is rampant in every strata of society, from the streets to the highest high-rise of Mumbai. But please let me tell you, it's the easiest thing. It's just one simple word with just 2 letters. It says no. It's as easy as that. I've never had a problem with drugs. I've never been in a situation where there's been peer pressure to take drugs. Are drugs rampant in society? Yes, they are. Can we do something about it? Yes, we can. Are we trying? Yes, we are, and we will. And like I said, it's so simple. You just say no. It's as simple as that. Definitely. Most definitely. I would love to be associated with this cause in any which way, and if that means even being part of a documentary or making an awareness program, I'd do whatever it takes to be associated with it.
One of our films.
Yes, please. I'd love to see it. For sure. I'd be very interested in that.
कहते हैं कि मतलब एक मैराथन है ये, आपने भी एक बार वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड कायम किया, तो कुछ इस तरह का इंस्पायर करना चाहेंगे? एक बार आपने फिल्मों के जरिए वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड कायम कर चुके हैं आप, तो कुछ इसी तरह का कोई इनिशिएटिव इस तरह से भी हो सकता है ड्रग्स की तरह, जिससे पूरा एक विश्व? जी,
मुझे लगता है ये जो आज इनिशिएटिव के लिए हम लोग यहाँ हैं, इट्स अ वंडरफुल इनफ कॉज. इसके आगे अगर कोई और भी चीज हो, we'll sit down, we'll discuss, we'll work it out. But I think the greatest world record, if we had to break, would be to get the maximum amount of people to say no to drugs at the same time. That would be a good record to break.
बाकी हमने और दूसरे सास को देखे थे, वो हमें सपोर्ट करते हुए नजर नहीं आए थे. क्या कहना चाहेंगे ड्रग की कॉज के बारे में? आप लोगों ने लाइटें बंद कर रखी थी.
जी, Earth Hour has been something that I think has been around for 3 to 4 years now in India. We've always supported it. It's worth it. Mother Earth is speaking to us and telling us that we need to do something. Earth Hour is a wonderful initiative. We've done it every year. So we did too yesterday as well. So yeah, I think everybody should do it. It's important. It's maybe a token gesture, but it's something that will go to make a big difference. Yeah.
On the big screen.
Yeah.
Do you think films glorify drugs or smoking, and is it ethical?
No, I think it's very unfortunate that for everything that's wrong in society we blame films. But let's also remember that it's a creative medium, and creativity should not be curbed. If within the framework of creativity we can try and be as responsible as possible, we should try. But that does not mean it should dictate creativity. At the end of the day, we have very strict rules by our censor board as to what is allowed and what is not, and we adhere to that to the best of our ability. But yes, if we can use the medium I work in, which is film, to inspire, to do something like the gentleman just said from Sankalp, would I be willing to be part of a documentary or do a film which talks about drugs and how to get over them? I'd most love to do it for sure. But like I said, the censor board has rules and we adhere to those.